Hello, I'm Ryan.
Hi, Ryan. I'm Hannah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Where are you from?
I'm from California. What about you?
I'm from Florida. It's nice to meet someone from another state.
Yes, it's interesting to meet new people. Do you like Florida?
Yes, I love it. It's warm and sunny. Do you miss California?
Sometimes, but I enjoy meeting people here. What do you like to do in Florida?
I like the beach and theme parks. How about you?
I enjoy hiking and visiting parks. What do you do for fun?
I like basketball. Do you play any sports?
I play tennis sometimes. It's fun. What's your favorite sport?
Basketball is my favorite. Do you watch sports?
I watch tennis sometimes. Do you watch basketball?
Yes, every week. My favorite team is the Miami Heat. Do you have a favorite team?
I like the Los Angeles Lakers. They've won many times. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I love sushi. Do you like sushi?
I've tried it, but I prefer pizza. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you cook?
I don't cook much, but I like simple meals. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. Do you eat pasta?
Yes, I do. My favorite is spaghetti. What's your favorite pasta?
Penne pasta with tomato sauce. Do you like pasta with meatballs?
Yes, meatballs with pasta are great. What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee in the morning. How about you?
I drink water, sometimes tea. Do you like tea?
Yes, I drink tea in the evening. Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, I love movies. What's your favorite movie?
I like adventure and action films. Do you like action movies?
Yes, my favorite is The Avengers. Have you seen it?
Yes, it's a great movie. Who's your favorite character?
Iron Man. Who's yours?
Captain America. Do you like superhero movies?
Yes, they're fun. What other movies do you like?
I like comedies. Do you like comedies?
Yes. Laughter is the best. Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, my favorite is Friends. Do you watch it?
Yes, it's funny. Who's your favorite character?
Ross. Who's yours?
Chandler. Do you watch other shows?
I watched The Office. Do you watch it?
Yes, it's a great show. What do you do for work?
I'm a software engineer. What do you do?
I'm a student studying computer science. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, it's challenging but fun. Do you enjoy your studies?
Yes, I love learning about computers. What do you like about being a software engineer?
I like solving problems and building things. What do you want to do after studying?
I want to be a software developer. Do you think it's a good job?
Yes, it's in high demand. Do you want to work for a big company?
Yes, I'd love to work for a big tech company. Do you work for one?
Yes, I work for a tech company. It's a great place to grow. Do you want to work in a tech company too?
Yes, it's exciting. Do you think computer science is important for the future?
Yes, technology will shape our future. Do you agree?
Yes, it's very important. What do you think about AI?
AI is interesting. It will change many industries. Do you want to work with AI?
Yes, I think it's exciting. Do you think it will make life easier?
Yes, in healthcare and transportation. Do you think it will be safe?
I hope so. It needs to be used responsibly. Do you think people will use AI every day?
Yes, we'll see more AI in our lives. Do you think that's a good thing?
Yes, but we need to be careful. Do you think computers will get smarter?
Yes, it's exciting. What do you think?
I agree. It'll be interesting to see how they change. Do you think technology will improve our lives?
Yes, it'll make things easier and more efficient. What do you think?
I agree. Technology can help a lot. Do you like learning new things?
Yes, it keeps life interesting. How about you?
Yes, I love learning new things. What's something new you've learned?
I've learned a new programming language. Have you learned anything new?
I've been learning web development. Do you like learning online?
Yes, there are so many resources online. Do you learn online too?
Yes, it's easy to find information. Do you like reading books?
Yes, it's relaxing. Do you have a favorite book?
I like adventure books. Do you like adventure books?
Yes. Do you have a favorite author?
I like J.K. Rowling. Who's your favorite?
I like J.R.R. Tolkien. Do you like fantasy books?
Yes, I do. Fantasy is fun. Do you think reading is important?
Yes, it helps us learn and grow. Do you agree?
Yes, it helps us understand the world better. It was nice talking to you, Hannah.
It was nice talking to you too, Ryan. Have a great day.
You too, Hannah. Take care.
You as well, Ryan. Goodbye.